Imagine this. A YouTube channel created just 2 months ago already has 155,000 subscribers. And me? I'm about to teach you how to make videos just like that for free. Want to learn? Let's go.
That Arizona sky burning in your eyes.
After digging into the content, I noticed a pattern. Most videos are a pretty woman singing on stage, short, around 15 to 20 seconds, great audio-visual combo. So, what's the secret? Good-looking visuals, catchy music, and it's all made with AI. Yup, no crazy editing, no expensive gear. Let me walk you through the entire process. Step 1. Pick or create a song. First, we need a song. Do you need to write your own? Nope. Go to YouTube Shorts, choose a viral song where a female singer is singing. Pick that song. I think you know how you do that.
Listen to your life, this is our mind.
Or you can write your own song using ChatGPT. Open ChatGPT. Pick a trending song from YouTube as a reference. Example prompt. Write an original pop song similar in style to insert trending song name. ChatGPT gives you lyrics in seconds. Boom, we've got our lyrics. Step 2. Generate music with AI. Next, let's turn those lyrics into music. First tool, Sun AI. Click Create, paste in your lyrics, add a style prompt, which ChatGPT can help you with this too. Hit Generate. Pro tip, upgrade to Sun Pro for better results and to avoid copyright issues. Now let's play the songs what Suno AI has created for us.
You're standing by the door, keys in your hand. You say you're tired of trying, you don't understand. But we've come too far to let baby not sit still. I know I messed up, but love like this don't just give. You're standing by the door, keys in your hand, understand. But walk away, but know I messed up. But love like this don't just give up. Let me
Both the songs are awesome. Let's download them. Step 3. Generate visuals with AI. Now we need visuals, but again, super simple. Good news, I've already made a full list of 10 image prompts for you. I'll give you that on the description. Now, go to Pixelmator AI to create the visuals. Create a free account with your Gmail. Here, you'll get 10 credits every day to create your AI images. Paste the prompt in the prompt box. Set image ratio to 9:16 for YouTube Shorts. Click Generate. Boom! Perfect image. Ready. Let's create a few more images. Now let's see the images, what we have created. The images are amazing, perfect for our video. Step 4, bring the image to life. Time to animate and sync your image with a song. Most people think it's a two-step process. Turn image into video, sync the lips. But nope, I'll show you how to do it in one step, totally free. Dreamina AI. Click Lip Sync. Upload image, upload audio. Here, you'll get 120 free credits per day. Super handy. Step 5, final edits with CapCut. Now polish the video. Import into CapCut. drag to timeline, auto-generate lyrics, not subtitles, style the text, add sound effect, e.g. cheering, throw in quick visual effects, add song title. And done! Check out a few samples I made using this exact method. Or,
listen to your God, this is our motto. Your time to shine, don't wait in line.
check them out. So, yeah, crazy simple, right? AI writes your lyrics, AI generates the music, AI creates the visuals, AI syncs it all together, and now you've got a viral-worthy short. If this helped you, please like, subscribe, share it with a fellow creator. I drop new niche ideas and tutorials every week, so stick around. You might just find your next big hit. Thanks so much for watching. See you in the next one, and good luck!